What's up, YouTube? This your boy Carlo, back with another Harris home renovation. Today, in part 2 video, we're going to be filling in holes. Well, first let me start over. It was a hole right here. I went ahead and put the sheetrock up before I started recording. But I put the sheetrock in, and I'm about to get ready to start mudding and dealing with all these holes, like over here, over there. I got some all the way around. Especially where I took off the sheetrock, not the sheetrock, I'm sorry. Took off the backsplash. They got a couple holes in it. So that's what we're doing today. We patching holes and scripping paint. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, now I done did all my little prep work. Now I'm about to start mudding. All right, now I'm about to try. I did some sanding, got stuff all over me. Yeah, but anyway, now I'm about to try. It's gonna take a lot to sand all this down, and I need to go and get the cabinets installed so they can come by and take measurements for the countertop Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead on and install the cabinets to make sure that they fit and make sure I don't need anything else. All right, so here we go. We got the cabinets installed. Look level to me. Yep, they look level to me. So I gotta add a piece right here in this little corner, and I gotta add that piece onto right there. And once I do that, add the kick plate, hey, and we'll be good to go. Yeah, that look all right. Oh, and here I'm going to try to build a box to store a microwave in there, and I need to install this socket right here into this cabinet. So I had to cut a hole in here, cut a hole from this side. I'm gonna build a box inside of there. I'm gonna build a box inside of here, and I guess I'll put this socket at the back of the box. So yeah, I feel pretty good about it. So, yeah, that's it.